This week is full of exciting stories that are changing advanced air mobility. We have Vertical Aerospace's amazing piloted flight milestone and Xpeng Aero HT's groundbreaking flying car reveal. But there's more. Lilium has made a big financial comeback. Beta Technologies is expanding its charging network, and Pegasus Aerospace has secured a major flying car distribution deal. Stay tuned as we share the top stories of the week. You are watching the Weekly Spotlight, brought to you by Discover Aviation. Welcome to the channel. Vertical Aerospace reaches piloted flight milestone. On January 8, 2025, Vertical Aerospace announced it completed its first piloted thrust-borne flight maneuvers with the VX4 prototype. The UK-based company reached an important milestone by progressing from hover flights to piloted low-speed thrust-borne maneuvers. This was made possible after receiving approval from the UK Civil Aviation Authority to expand its permit to fly. The flight took place at its flight test center and was piloted by Simon Davies, Vertical's chief test pilot. During the flight, the VX4 performed advanced maneuvers, including roll, yaw, and spot turns at altitude. This makes Vertical only the second company in the world to achieve piloted thrust-borne flight with a full-scale vectored thrust eVTOL aircraft. Thrust-borne flights allow engineers to study stability, battery performance, aerodynamics, and control in real-world conditions. These tests also measure structural loads and dynamic behavior at different speeds. This achievement brings Vertical closer to its FlightPath 2030 vision, which aims to transform air mobility. This milestone sets the stage for Phase 3, wing-borne flight tests. In this phase, the focus will be on flying beyond airfields and conducting certification-style assessments, laying the groundwork for full certification. To boost its testing program, Vertical Aerospace welcomed Tim Eldridge as a test pilot. Eldridge, a former Royal Navy officer, has decades of flight testing experience, including work with helicopters like the Sea King, Merlin, and Chinook. His expertise will help Vertical move toward commercial readiness. Becoming one of only 2 companies to achieve this milestone shows the dedication of our team and partners, said Stuart Simpson, CEO of Vertical Aerospace. While Vertical Aerospace celebrates its technical achievements, China is unveiling a groundbreaking flying car innovation. Xpeng Aero HT unveils modular flying car. On January 8, 2025, Xpeng Aero HT introduced the land aircraft carrier at CES 2025. The land aircraft carrier is a modular flying car that combines both road and air capabilities. It features a triaxle ground module known as the mothership and a foldable eVTOL air module. The mothership has 6x6 all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, enhancing off-road performance. The eVTOL module unfolds from the car's boot, with rotors extending for manual or autonomous flight. Priced under $300,000, the vehicle is aimed at luxury buyers and emergency responders. Xpeng Aero HT has already received 3,000 intent orders, with mass production set to begin later this year. Deliveries are expected in 2026, but the vehicle will initially be available only in China. The land aircraft carrier could change urban and emergency mobility by blending convenience with advanced technology. Its ability to switch between road and air travel offers a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. The modular design maximizes versatility, appealing to both adventurers and emergency services. Xpeng's entry into the advanced air mobility sector aligns with broader trends in urban innovation. While primarily targeting consumers, the company also emphasizes the potential for search and rescue applications. This groundbreaking design promises to change how we think about mobility, said a spokesperson for Xpeng Aero HT. While Xpeng Aero HT prepares for production, Lilium, based in Germany, is finding a lifeline to restart its stalled operations. Lilium rescued by $206 million investment. On January 6, 2025, Lilium, a German eVTOL company, secured €200 million to avoid liquidation. After facing financial struggles and layoffs in December 2024, Lilium found a last-minute investor in Mobile Uplift Corporation, or MUC. This consortium of European and North American backers, including Custom Cells, Fifth Wall, and Atomico, acquired Lilium's subsidiaries. MUC plans to rehire 750 former employees and restart operations. The agreement includes an initial convertible loan of €5 million, with shares to be issued to investors on January 15th. MUC is expected to finalize the acquisition in early January, pending creditor committee approval. The consortium aims to provide Lilium with €200 million to stabilize its operations and continue developing its flagship flying taxi project, the Lilium Jet. This investment is a crucial lifeline for Lilium, allowing the company to keep working on its ambitious eVTOL designs. If Lilium had collapsed, it would have been a significant setback for the eVTOL industry, where startups face high costs and long certification timelines. This deal shows renewed confidence in Lilium's potential to revolutionize air mobility. This breakthrough funding allows us to resume operations and continue pioneering urban air mobility, said Klaus Rove, CEO of Lilium. As Lilium regains stability, Beta Technologies is expanding its charging network to meet the growing demand for electric aviation. Beta Technologies expands charging network by 200%. On January 7, 2025, Beta Technologies announced a 200% expansion of its charging network in 2024. Beta installed 30 new multimodal chargers, increasing its total to 46 sites across 22 U.S. states. An additional 23 sites are in development. These chargers support both eVTOLs and ground vehicles, using the combined charging standard and are UL certified for safety. Beta also introduced the MiniCube, a mobile charger designed for in-hangar use. These chargers are operational in states like California, New York, and Florida. Plans for international expansion are set for 2025, aiming to create a global charging ecosystem. Customers include Archer, Atlantic Aviation, and municipal airports. Beta's infrastructure supports the growth of electric aviation, enabling cost-effective and sustainable operations. By doubling its network, Beta ensures that both urban and rural communities can access electric transportation solutions. The MiniCube adds flexibility for aviation operators needing portable charging options. Creating a multimodal charging network unlocks the potential of electric aviation for communities nationwide, said Nate Ward, Beta's charge network lead. While Beta expands its infrastructure, Pegasus Aerospace is making global strides with a major flying car distribution deal. Pegasus Aerospace secures 300-unit deal. On January 6, 2025, Pegasus Aerospace signed a 300-unit distribution agreement with Aero. The deal focuses on Pegasus's E-model flying car, which features hybrid technology, vertical takeoff, and advanced safety systems. This car, which also functions as a sports car on the road, will be distributed in North and South America and the Middle East. Aero, a Florida-based distributor, plans to sell the first 30 units in 2025. Pegasus, based in Las Vegas, Nevada, has roots in Australia. The company aims to tackle urban congestion and provide emergency mobility solutions. The E-model combines intelligent navigation, long-range capabilities, and a sleek design to attract both consumers and commercial operators. This agreement positions Pegasus as a key player in advanced air mobility, responding to the increasing global demand for flying cars. The partnership with Aero highlights the potential for flying cars to serve as practical solutions for short commutes, urban travel, and emergency services. We are thrilled to bring true 3D mobility to life through this partnership, said Michael Yang, CEO of Pegasus. Which story resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.